Very good morning to all. Today I'm going to give a introduction about the data science. First, we will discuss about what is the definition for data science. So, data science is interdisciplinary field that is used to extracting the knowledge from the large amount of database or various forms of the data. So, the data science combines the three areas. One is business knowledge, statistical knowledge, and computer knowledge. Imagine you have a Jane bag. In Jane bag, it fully containing the candy. The candy can be represented as a data. There are the candy bag containing chocolates, lollipops, and gummies in there. But all the messy data which can be combined together in the inside of the a Jane bag. A data scientist is like a kid who sort the candy. So first process is sorting the candy. That is comes under the data cleaning. Next process we have to separate and chocolates, lollipops, and gummies. So, while we are performing this separation process, which comes under the data organization, then we need to analyze it. How many candies are present in each kind. So that is comes under the data analysis. So this way, you know exactly how much chocolate you have to eat. So next we will discuss about what is big data. Big data is nothing but there is a huge amount of data which can be stored here. The big data can be classified as a structure, semi-structure, and unstructured. So first we will discuss about what is structured data. So structured data is nothing but it will contain some predefined format. Example for the structured data is a relational database. So the relational database consisting of a rows and columns, which is the best example for the structured data, and also the Excel files and Google Docs spreadsheet. These are also the example for the structured data. And the next one is unstructured data. Unstructured data is nothing; it doesn't have any predefined format. For example, we can say the example as audios, videos, images, and text, legal documents. So these are the examples for the unstructured data. The next one is the characteristics. The characteristics of big data are volume, velocity, and variety. Volume is nothing but we can represent as a size of the data. Velocity can be represented as a speed of the data. Variety is nothing but different types of sources that is called as heterogeneous sources. So next, the difference between big data and data science. So big data is nothing but evolving a term that describes in the a large amount of data which can be stored here, and also the big data can be classified as a structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. And next one is the data science. So data science is an interdisciplinary field which is mainly used to extracting the knowledge from the various of data forms. So the applications of big data are social media, healthcare, and finance. And the applications of data science is shopping online, movies, music, and weather forecasting. So these are the difference between the big data and data science. So next one is the benefits and uses of the data science. The main is it is used in anomaly detection, classification, forecasting, recognition, and recommendation systems. So these are the benefits and uses of the data science. Next, we will discuss about the phases of data. The phases of data, the main categories of this data, first one is structure. Structured data is nothing but it contains some predefined format. So, the example for the structured data is dates, phone number, zip codes, customer number, product inventory, point of scale, transaction information. These are the example for structured data. So, this is a example for the structured data, that is the relational database. The relational database containing the rows and columns. So, which is the best example for the structured data. And the next one is unstructured data. Unstructured data, it doesn't have any predefined format. Best example for unstructured data is images, audios, videos. So these are the best example for unstructured data. Uh, so the media example for unstructured data is media files, social media and mobile data communication, audio, video files, images, Word documents, PowerPoint presentation, email, chat logs, data from the social networking sites like a Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and text messages, locations, and chat and call record. So these are the examples for the unstructured data. So next one is the natural language processing. Natural language processing is a special type of unstructured data. So it containing no clear rules, many meanings, learning limitation, finding the key points, figuring out the main topics. The first one is the no clear rules. There are no boxes or lines to follow the natural language. It's like trying to understand a friend's jokes without knowing the whole story. That is called as a no clear rules. Many meanings. Many meanings nothing but one word containing the different meanings. That depending upon the situation. That is comes that is called as many meanings. Next one is the learning limitations. Computers are very good at learning from the data, but in the natural language it's messy and complex sometimes, even for the best computers. And next one is finding the key point. Finding the key points like a text summarization and figuring out the main topic. Figuring out the main topic, we can the best example for figuring out the main topic is topic recognition. Understanding that someone is talking about what? Either they're talking about sports or music. The next one is the knowing how someone feels. This comes under the sentimental analysis, telling if a message is happy or angry or sad. So emotional, sentimental, everything can be analyzed in this sentimental analysis. So next one is the machine generated. Machine generated data is the information that is automatically generated by the machine without the human intervention. So that is called as the machine generation. Next one is the graph-based data. So the graph structures which contain the nodes, edges, and properties, which is mainly used to representing and storing some graphical data. So the graph-based data is natural way to mainly representing the social networks and structures, and it allows you to calculate specific metrics such as the influence of person and shortest path between two people. So these are the example for the graph base. So this is the introduction for the data science. Thank you.